Hello, YouTube enthusiasts! Welcome back to DDing Vids. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of noun identification in the realm of ideas. Stick around for some quick tips and tricks. Let's start with conceptual nouns. These represent abstract ideas. Look for words like freedom, justice, or happiness. They're the building blocks of powerful ideas. Did you know that gerunds, verbs ending in ing, can function as nouns? They often represent actions or ongoing ideas. For example, reading enhances your knowledge. Proper nouns can also signify specific ideas or concepts. Think the Enlightenment or the Internet. They're like the VIPs of the noun world. When spotting abstract nouns in sentences, pay attention to words representing feelings or qualities. For instance, bravery inspires others to face challenges. And there you have it, noun identification in the ideas category made simple. If you enjoyed this crash course, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more language tips. Comment below with your favorite kind of noun. Until next time, keep exploring the world of words.